You're looking for a mini split and you're torn between a high efficiency budget pick and a legacy brand's mid-tier workhorse. I'm the HVAC repair guy. Before I spent 17 years in the field, I was a Navy nuclear electrical operator. I don't care about the name on the box, I care about the engineering inside. Today we're comparing the Costway SEERXtreme series against the Rheem Classic Plus series to see if you're buying performance or just a logo. When we look at the manufacturing, both of these units are sourced from Chinese assembly lines. This is common for mid-tier equipment. Both models utilize variable speed inverter compressors, which allow the units to ramp up and down rather than just cycling on and off. They both feature coated coils to protect against corrosion, which is a must-have if you live in a humid or coastal environment. On paper, the underlying hardware foundations are surprisingly similar. Efficiency is where the monthly bills are won or lost. The Costway SEERXtreme series takes the lead here with a SEER rating of 25. The Rheem Classic Plus follows closely behind with a SEER of 24. In the real world, that 1 point difference is minor, but it shows Costway is pushing their technical specs to compete. The price tag is where you see the branding delta. Costway averages out to about $1,234. Rheem commands a higher average price of about $1,629. You're looking at nearly a $400 difference for systems in the same technical category. This is where Rheem tries to justify that extra cost. Rheem provides a 10-year general warranty and a 10-year compressor warranty. Costway offers a 5-year general warranty and an 8-year compressor warranty. Neither model offers a full unit replacement guarantee, but Rheem's decade of coverage is a massive advantage if a board or coil fails in year 7. Both units are packed with the right tech for a modern home. You get high-density air filtration on the Costway and an anti-mold mesh on the Rheem. They are both smart units that can maintain precise temperatures without massive energy spikes. As a tech, the number one killer I see is restricted airflow. When your filters get dirty, your indoor coil can't move heat, which leads to icing. That ice eventually sends liquid refrigerant back to the compressor, and compressors are designed to pump gas, not liquid. If you slug it with liquid, you're buying a new unit. Wash your filters every month. It's the cheapest insurance you'll ever buy. After evaluating performance, price, warranty, and features, Rheem scored 321 while Costway scored 299. Even though Costway is cheaper and slightly more efficient, the Rheem Classic Plus series is the winner. Rheem's 10-year protection and established distribution network give it the edge for a long-term home investment. Shop like a pro. Check out the head-to-head tool at HVAC for Beginners to compare more models